What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Cardano, guys. Nice little pump today. We're sitting at $1.73. We're up almost 6% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 56.52 billion. 24-hour volume 3.28 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So you can see here we had some nice volume, a big spike in volume that took us up to this level of resistance at 174. Now with our dollar cost average, we're still sitting at about $1.82 or $1.81. So we're still waiting to get back up to our average price here, but I do believe that ADA has bottomed out. Just in case, I have dropped in a buy zone down at about 130. But I don't think it's likely, guys. So if we hop over to the daily, you can see we're beautifully holding this trend line of support. Now, what I think may happen here for ADA is we're going to create a bit of a symmetrical triangle. So if we come up, even if we were to get rejected here, we create a double bottom, we break out, we hit this level of resistance, we drop back to support, we break out. And the target for this symmetrical triangle here, you measure the body, we bring ADA up, depending on where you break out, pretty close to the bull run target at the 1.618 at 437. Now, I do think ADA is going to make it up to $6.11. We also have a bit of a channel here. You can go from this high. So we can see here, we bounce off this level of support, we break out of this target, and we start heading up towards the top of our channel, which lines up with the target of this symmetrical triangle as well. So if we do get rejected here by the 20 EMA, we roll over. Do watch for a double bottom. We are in the floor with the MACD, and we're very close to printing the bullish cross. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, you can see here we have this descending broadening channel. So if we come back down to retest this trend line of support, you can see this trend line here. We come back down to the 0.786 on the Fibonacci. We find support. We break out. ADA follows very, very closely with Bitcoin. That's when you see ADA roll over a bit, create that double bottom, break out, and come up to this next level of resistance. I'll drop it in here where I think ADA could definitely hit some resistance to the 0.786. Coming in at 204, come back down to the golden ratio, break out. Doesn't have to happen exactly like that. I just do think that's a likely scenario for ADA. We do have our bull run target, $6.11 to 2.272 at 793. I've dropped in the 2.618. I don't believe ADA will make this price target, but it's always possible, guys. It's at 11.11, but I think $6.11 is my price target here on this bull run. We look at ADA on the weekly. Let's quickly pop open the weekly time frame. Yeah, so we're holding the 55. We're looking healthy. We went through a steep correction for ADA all the way back down to the 0.5, but I do think we're bottoming out, and we're just waiting for our next impulsive wave, in my opinion. All right, guys, so our next level of resistance, 189, but first we do have to get back above 174. If we continue to hit resistance, that's when we can roll over and create kind of a large double bottom here. I'll grab my brush, we come down, we create a bottom, hit resistance, second bottom, breakout. So you could drop in a neckline right here if that were to play out, and then you would take your measurement from the bottom of this wick here and would bring ADA back up pretty much perfectly to our take profit zone at $2.11. All right, guys, that's basically it for ADA. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, guys. You really can't beat it. All right, that's it for this one. Much love. Take care.